Alright, I'd like to show you how to log in to the learning management system called the LMS. It's the new version that Project Lead the Way went to just this year to give students access to all the PowerPoints and Word document activities that we'll do throughout the year. The reason I want to give it to you now is that this is your best resource for studying for the first quarter test that we are having on Friday. So to get to this learning management system, you go to my.pltw.org and you'll be asked to log in with a username and password that I will need to give you guys. I should have given it to you before you watched this video. If you haven't gotten your username and password, you need to stop the video, pause it, and ask me for it. But the password is automatically set, and so is your username, so I should be getting those to you, like I said, before you start the video here. So once you log in, the first place you need to go, again, your page might look a little different because mine is the teacher website, so it's got a little more information on it. But once you log in, the first place you need to go is up in this left corner. You need to click the LMS tab, and it should redirect you right to the LMS. And from there, if you go to the Courses and Groups tab, you won't have near as many options here. You may actually just have the one, but what you're looking for is the IED tab, like this one here. So click on that, and from there you will actually have access right now to every unit that we will cover this year. So right now we've only covered Unit 1 and Unit 2. So if you want to review key terms or look at any of the PowerPoints from either unit, if you click on Unit 1 for instance, you can see Unit 1 here, and if you just keep scrolling down, here's all the information you get for Unit 2 as well. So let's say I'm in Unit 2 and I'd like to look at some isometric sketching PowerPoints, the one we did. So any of those links that you click on, you actually have the opportunity to look at the PowerPoints that I've covered, any of the ones maybe I didn't cover. For example, the line conventions. I told you guys over and over, the PowerPoint that talks about every single type of line that there is, I just went through as we needed those types of lines. I described them to you. But if you'd like to see the PowerPoint with all of those types of lines in one condensed PowerPoint, you can click on that and watch that. I also showed you guys isometric and oblique pictorials. One of the first ones we talked about were isometrics, so you can click on that. If you go back, you can go to perspective sketches, multi-view sketches. Up here, I believe you're going to want to click on Activity 1.5, the deep dive video activity. Even though it's the activity, the reason you click there is that the PowerPoint for the design process is right on there. So if you click on that PowerPoint, that'll actually go through the steps of the design process. And again, that will be probably about half or so of the quarter test on Friday will be over the design process. So you'll get questions of, given this scenario, describe to me what step of the design process is being identified. So basically for now, that's all we have. You will not be posting any grades or activities here. It's mostly going to serve as your review resources for the test on Friday. And as the year goes further out, we will start using it more and more. But just use it for the review for now, and we'll talk about it more next week.